I don't know how or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we.
So she's going upstairs to get my iPad. When I come home, she runs upstairs to get it.
Thank you.
Thank you. She's so sweet. It's so cute. So I wanted to show you guys, Kara was telling me that her peanut butter and jelly slippers are so cute. So finally, a quick Dollar Tree haul, right? I have been looking for this Lucky Charms cereal, Lucky Charms s'mores, for like a month. Oh my goodness. So happy I found it. Girl, I already opened it. It took a little bit out. I had to taste it quick and fast. So Syd will probably rock. I found these So Natural, the peanut butter and chocolate protein bars. So it's 2 in here, 9 grams of protein. They tiny. You know, that'll be good for me. Throw these in the pocketbook, right? I think I said in the store, yeah, 13 grams of carbs in the 1 bar. So, yeah, I don't need that. They had these, and here she, look. She is so funny. Let me get it, because it's going to be all over, ripped up. Miss Girl, look, her whole face in the box. Look, oh no. She's so funny. Get out of there. So the V Echo, right, 90% less waste, 2 innovative brush heads. So I wasn't sure how this was rocking. Let me open it. Okay, so this was here, and then this one was right here, like that. And then there's a little brush back here too. So it's a whole situation right here. So that's what's rocking. This was $125. Okay, so I put it back in. So yeah, that's kind of cool. What else is rocking? Oh, the Pro Foot, the pain relief patches. It's temporary relief from foot and heel pain, sprains, strains, and bruises. All the above, right? Fast acting. It's 3 patches, and it has a cooling effect. Up to 8 hours of relief. So yes on that. Okay, so it's 1 of these across the foot, right? And then 2 like this. Oh, nice. Okay. So I don't need the box anymore. I'm going to move that to the side. I'm not going to throw it on the floor because she might grab it. I grabbed a few of these, right? Getting ready. I almost dropped it. Getting ready for the summer vacay. And this one, the girls will have their own, you know, personal things they won't have to share. So I wanted to make sure everyone had their own, right? And then I found these blushes. So it was 3 different ones. And I've been looking for this. I'm looking for like these new makeup palettes too. I cannot find them. So yeah, this was the one I felt was more, you know, for me. So yes. And then I grabbed one for the giveaway that I do on the shopping channel, right? So, one for me, one for you. That's how that rocks on the shopping channel. Oh, and I grabbed 1 more of these. So, yeah, everything I picked up was $125 in this particular haul. So, I just wanted to show you quick and fast because it was the last bag I brought in. Yes. Oh, I forgot this tray. Isn't it so pretty? I feel like this would look nice on a dining room table. I think it was $150, not $125. So yeah, I was excited about this. I only grabbed the 1. I feel like I couldn't place it anywhere, so I just grabbed the 1 because I knew I wanted it to be in a dining room. So hubby moved all the cars out of the driveway so that we can have this space for the pod. We're waiting for that to be delivered. It's probably gonna go right here. Yeah, because when the dumpster comes, you know, when they start demoing the basement, it needs to probably be like right in the middle. So it's about to go down. So I guess the pod, you know, them trying to get it in, knocked all of this down off the tree. Oh my goodness. But it is here. It's a 12 foot I feel like I got the middle one. Like we definitely needed to get something a little bigger than the small, but not as big as, I think this is perfect actually. So yeah, we're gonna start getting some things in here. I squeezed my baby next to it. Hubby's gonna have to park on the street. So yeah, this is definitely, and I had them face it, towards the garage door. So this is definitely going to hold all the things, right? I'm going to wait till hubby gets home to open it. And I did tell him to stop by Lowe's, right, to pick up a lock. I definitely want a lock on this. I mean, you've seen all the things. So yes, on that, hubby opened it up quick and fast. And guess what? It came with a lock. It was in here on the floor. Girl, oh my goodness. But it is really, this is perfect. This is crazy perfect. So yeah, we're about to do some things.
All night long, dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you.
So we came up with a strategy, kind of, sort of, right? It's a pretty big unit. So I was starting with the movie posters. Hubby is down there just trying to gather things. It's almost like you don't know where to start. Like you really don't know where to start. And I'm like, all right, well, I'm going to take these movie posters up because I know I can handle that. That's cool in the gang. But there were some that were definitely staying that we're keeping because of the whole theater situation. And there are some that was just trash because it had gotten destroyed from, all the water issues and everything. So those things, all trash, was coming to the front. So moving forward, everything we're keeping is going towards the back, right? And all the trash we'll keep in the front some kind of way, right? So when the dumpster comes, we could just toss some things right on in, right? So, girl, stuff falling apart and everything, I said, oh no, this is 100% going to be on the trash side, right? So let me move this over, pivot a little bit, and put some things in place. But yeah, so we finally started getting our stride and everything. And, he got some things in there, right? And and mind you, we had a weekend to do this. So this was all cleared out over a span of 2.5 days or so, right? So, girl, oh my goodness. All right, so we have some type of assembly line here going on. So, we did a lot last night. It's really like crunch time. And you guys saw how much we have to put into the pod. The pod is, oh my goodness, it's so big to stack. So this is perfect, but he has to put those things at the end, in the container with the top. That's going to be quick and fast, but he has some type of assembly line going on right here. So, oh my goodness. So I will get over here and make trash. What is trash? Because that is tomorrow. So whatever I can get out on the trash. Now the dumpster is going to be here when they rip down the walls and everything starting next week. So that's going to give me the opportunity to put more trash in from the garage and get that organized. It's a whole thing. It is a whole thing. Oh my goodness.
I'll do it again and again and again and again.
So thank goodness, and I had no idea because I haven't been in this cabinet in a minute. So a lot of my Rae Dunn is over here, and this is my first Rae Dunn, right? The things that I was buying like in the beginning, and some things I have to the right of me, right? But I wanted to get some of these things out. Like, it's some glasses in here that are brand new, we never used, and I set them up. So when we get, the whole situation together, in the basement, I want to use these glasses down here. So I'm just going to, this bin right here is my, like more overflow of the Ray Dunn. So this will probably be stored in the garage. And I think I told you guys, I'm going to take advantage, hubby and I, of the dumpster that's going to be here. It's 20 yards or so, big dumpster, right? That's going to be sitting in my driveway, behind the pod. And we'll be able to, so all the trash that's going to be sitting in front, that I said, in the pod, that's going to go in the dumpster. And that's Kara singing behind me. That's going to go in the dumpster. And all the things, how many times we have attempted to get into this garage and do some things. Well, this is the opportunity. And I know we're tired and things, but this is the opportunity to get that stuff out of here, So, girl, adulting, that's what I'm doing. I had to show you. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that because it's things there and it's kind of just sitting to the side, And you don't want to get rid of it. You don't want to have trash sitting too much on the garbage. And it's a whole thing, girl. But we're doing it. We are doing it. And yes, I am hustling. Oh, my goodness. Yes, on that.
I'm feeling rather space out here next to you. Like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can.
Digging in here and finding some things. I was so excited to find this cup. Oh my goodness, hubby and I have had that for over 20 years. So I didn't realize it was in there. So I'll take it up, right, to the Disney beauty room and do some things with that. But I'm looking around because that's hubby. He's still, as we speak, right? Girl, we still moving stuff. They just got the elliptical up. Oh my goodness. So we still moving stuff as I'm talking to you, right? So you watching this, 7:00, right? Or something. We still moving stuff. Everything has to be out by the morning. So, oh my goodness. But this is me before work. So it's nothing strenuous. I'm just rapping. That's why I didn't, really care too much. But I am legit trying to do the voiceover and, hubby's bringing stuff up and Kara is doing stuff. Sydney's doing her own thing. It's a whole thing, but life, right? We're lifing.
Show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're meant to be falling in love with you.
So I'm home and more water is still coming in. It's just, I cannot wait until all these walls come down and just everything is fixed. I see big holes in the wall I didn't really notice before until after the contractor pointed the things out. But girl, this is so much. All right, so just getting everything together over here on the table. This is all the stuff that came home. So the summer program is officially over for both of them. So yes, on that. It went so fast, I feel like. But all this stuff was left here on the table for me when I got home. So this is all Kara's. I guess, they did some things, right? Mm-hmm. Yes. She got a little passport. But what's funny is she actually got her passport a few weeks ago. So I thought this was kind of funny that she has all these things in here, lots of sights to see. So that was super cute. Food here is great. China, girl, oh my goodness. Some bracelet stuff and things, more things for her to make if she wants, right? And then Sydney, as soon as I looked at this, I knew it was a watermelon, right? That's so funny with the black seeds and the watermelon, my baby. So yes, on that. Now I hold on to things. Do you guys hold on to things? I just can't. They made these, so Even if it's in a box, I can't get rid of it. So, and definitely yes on the passport. That is funny.
I'll do it again and again and again and again.
So this is the end of, well, at least out here anyway. We're still in the basement working like after I close it up, right? But this was, I feel like Friday night, I think. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I'm just going to lock it up. This was the lock that was on the floor when you saw me kick it over when I was starting to put the pictures in. So yeah, on to Saturday. Oh, nice. Sid picked up the Harry Potter. So she's probably going to get one a week. Get out of here. I didn't even know this was out. So yes on that. So hubby stopped by Home Depot. We needed the real deal Holyfield, right, trash bags. So he grabbed those Huskies, those contractor bags, and then a couple more bins. So yes on that. Look at her. Like she helping. So yes to my date for Beetlejuice. Oh my goodness. I looked at my calendar for something else and saw that I had tickets. I forgot with all of this going on. So we had to leave hubby and go see the show. Syd and I just got home from Beetlejuice. This is all in the kitchen. Oh my goodness. So I ran down to kind of see what was rocking. Wow. He cleared a lot of stuff from the time me and Syd left to go see Beetlejuice, right? And see, this part I can't really help him with unless he just says, you know, put these in a bin or something, because this is all him. So I don't know what's trash and what's not, but he did so good. I can't believe I can see the floor now. That just makes this space look even bigger. That's insane. Wow. He just yelled down the steps, does it look like we're making progress? Oh my goodness, he did so much. So all of this is going, remember? It's just a little bit left up here and hardly nothing over here. I forgot what this shelf even looked like. I haven't seen it in so long. Look at the DT wipes. Girl. I turned the light on, so there is nothing back here but craziness. Wow. So the red marks is where, you know, they're basically saying what's going to go where. It's a wall going to be here. So remember I said, oh, I'm not sure about the wall. Definitely a wall because it needs to be soundproof in here. So, wow. Yeah, we're done back here. Look at Captain Kirk on the floor. And look at the tag over here, NCC 1701. Y'all know what it is. Here's another playbill on the steps. Rocky, that was fire. Remember we went to see that on Broadway? Yes. What's this under here? The Lion King. Oh my goodness. Wow, this just brought back so many memories. Oh my goodness. Look at Syd. Girl, this is what slows up the progress because you start finding stuff. So this is all we have left. It's not too crazy. We still have a few hours left to get it all out, hubby and I. So yeah, then we'll be good to go. I'm going to end it here, you guys, so I can finish up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So I wanted to show you the progress so far. I feel like not too much is coming back in, which I'm really happy about, right? So yes on that.